Hey, so I wanted to make a video to help others out because our team, grade level team, was trying to figure out how to create a Google form that is self-gradable. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to New, and you're going to want to go down to More. Go to your Google Drive, and then once you get in your Google Drive, you go to New, and you go down to More, and then you'll see all these different extra Google applications, but you're going to want to click on Google Forms, and it will take you to a whole new tab. Once you get to this tab, you will see Untitled Form. You'll see where you can add your first question. And if you want to start anywhere, you can actually go up here to the palette and customize your theme. You can choose a header. They have some options already there for you. Or you can choose a theme color. You could choose a background color. You could change the font style. Let's just change it to red just for an example. And I'll leave everything else the same. Now that that's done, I'll X out. And then once you come over here, you can actually title it example form. You can add a description. And then you can go down here and start working on questions. Now, you can type your question here or your statement, and then it'll tell you which type of question you would like for it to be. It'll also let you upload files or change the style in which it's placed. Instead of just having them in a straight row, it could be a multiple grid look or check boxes, but you get to pick. I'm just going to leave it as multiple choice, and then I'm going to add, let's just say, which is correct. Then you're going to have options here. You get to type on each option. So let's say gas. You can add another option just by clicking gas, and then you just make your options. Now, in order for it to be self-gradable, you're going to want to have another question first. So we're going to add a question, and we're going to say how to draw. And we're just going to I'm just putting in silly things right now. So pencil, marker, and leave those two options. Now, what you're going to want to do if this is going to be a quiz or a test is you're going to want to go over here to the settings. And in the settings, it will allow you to limit the responses, require a sign-in. I want to collect email addresses to those who are doing it so I can see who did or did not complete it. Your presentation, if you wanted them to see how many more questions they have to go, you can have a progress bar, or you can shuffle the order, or you can even have a confirmation response, which is your response has been recorded. I'll keep that the same. But really what I want to do is go over here to quizzes, and I want to make this a quiz. And this will give you the ability to lock their answers. So I'm going to turn on lock mode. That way they can't come back in or open other tabs while they're in the quiz, and that I can see which ones they missed. They can see which ones they missed, got right, and the points for it. But also, if you want them to see right then, you can let them see immediately after they submit the test to see what their grade is, or you can do it later after you review it. It's up to you, but I'm going to save that. And now that I'm back on the home screen, what I can do is go back to my question and click the answer key. I can click which one is right, and then I can add points for it. And since there's only two, I'm just going to make this 50 points. And then you click done. And you're all finished with that one. And I'm going to go to the other one. I'm going to click it again. Got to scroll down because I can't see. Click answer key. And then I'm going to make that one 50 points as well. And click the right answer. And click done. Now that you're finished, this is actually